Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Muhammad Rifki, and today I want to give a tutorial for you guys about how to use a drop-down list and Countif function by using a Google Sheet. So I will give you guys a scenario. In this scenario, Zaid was assigned to do a survey on people's choices about bus companies by his employer, but he has problems using spreadsheets for his presentation in meetings. Help him in completing his task. So in this video, I will teach you guys how to construct a table, how to use a drop-down list, how to use a Countif function, and lastly, how to construct a pie chart. So let's begin. Okay, firstly, we need to launch a Google Sheet app. How do you can find this Google Sheet app? Just you can see the Google Apps list and scroll down and you can see this is a Google Sheet app. Double click on it and you need to choose this blank spreadsheet, this one. Firstly, we need to construct a table of data of a bus company, the fees of the ticket, and the type of payment of a customer. For me, I want to start it at a H2 cell. How do you want to know where is the H2 cell? You can read it by this one, H, and this row is 2. So H2 cell is at here. Okay, H2 cell. In this cell, I want to fill it with a bus company. And for the I2 cell, I want to fill it a fee of a ticket in the RM, Ringgit Malaysia. And J2 cell, I want to fill it with a type of payment. As you can see that the sentence of type of payment is overlap between J and K column. You can separate this column by double click the line between a J and K column at here, as you can see, and when the symbol can be seen, just double click on it and you can see those columns are separate. So you can see that bus company, fee and type of payment are not center. We can highlight those cells and choose this one, the center elegant. As you can see that the center sentence are at the center in a cell. Okay, I want to fill it with a cosmic company, Sunny Express, Mutiara Express, and Matahari Company, and Mata Air Travel. You can see that those are overlap. Just by doing the same thing, just double click on this line, so the data is separate easily. And I want to fill the column with 65, 55, 16, 15, and 45. For the type of payment, there are 4 types of payment that we can see, which is online banking, cash, credit card, and debit card. Okay, we see that all of the data are not centered. Just doing the same thing, highlight all the cell and choose the center elegant. So all the data are in the center. So we also can create a column, create a border between the between the column. Just highlight all of the cell and choose this one, the border, and all border. So there are all border between the data, and you can color the title of bus company, fee and type of payment by highlight those title and choose what color do you want. Okay, next I want to after we construct a main data table, I want to construct a survey table at the B from a static at the B2 cell. In a survey table, we have a date, name, bus company, fee, and type of payment. So for a B2 cell, I want to fill it with a date. C2 cell, the name of customer. D2 cell, bus company. E2 cell, fee of a ticket in Ringgit Malaysia. And F2 cell, the type of payment. So we need to separate the column, double click on the line, center the title at the center elegant, and color the title. And after that, I need to fulfill the name column with the name of a customer. Okay, next, after we fulfill all the name of a customer at the name column, we need to fulfill the date at the date column. As we can see that there are many people that we have been surveyed, so we can save our time by fulfill the date with a drop-down list. How we can use a drop-down list? Firstly, we need to go to a data and choose a data validation. Okay, so we need to select a cell range that we want to put a drop-down list. Select the data. Firstly, we need to select the cell which we start at B3 cell, colon, and we end it at a B22 cell. Or we can just highlight from B3 cell to a B22 cell. So the data range will be fulfilled automatically. So just select OK. So for a criteria, we choose a date and we save it. So by double click on the cell, we can see that the calendar will be appear, and we will choose the day that the customer purchased the ticket. For example, Irman purchased a ticket at the 19th October 2020. Okay, after we fulfill the date of the customer purchased the ticket at the date column, we can fulfill the bus company by using the drop-down list. So firstly, we need to go to data and data validation. So for the cell range, we pick from D3 to a D22. Select OK. So the criteria for a data validation is a list from a range. And next, the bus company, we go back to the main data table. In the bus company, we can choose the bus company, which is Cosmic, Sana Express, Mutiara Express, Matahari, and Mata Air Travel by highlight it. And the data range is H3 colon H7. Select OK, and we just save it. After that, we can see that the arrow will be appear on each cell. So by clicking on the arrow, we can see that the bus company has been listed, so we can fulfill the bus company column easily. For example, Hirman is choose a Sanya Express. Select a Sanya Express, and Abdullah, he also use a Sanya Express, and Nasuha, she use a Cosmic company. So by that we can fulfill the bus company on the bus company column easily. Okay, after we fulfill the D column by the bus company that have been chosen by a customer, next we fulfill the E column with the fee of the tickets. So by using the same way, using a drop down list, we go to a data validation, and the cell range we choose from E column, which is E3 to E22. Okay, so the criteria of data validation is a list from a range, and the data range that we use to fulfill the E column, we can look at the main data table, and we choose a range from I3 to I7, which is a fee of a ticket, and select OK, and we can save it. So as we can see that the arrow will be appear, and we can fulfill the fee of a ticket. So we can see at the main data table, for a Sunny Express, the fee of a ticket is 55 ringgit. So we choose a 55 ringgit. As save way, 55 ringgit. And for a Cosmic, we can see that the fee is 65 ringgit. So we choose the 65 ringgit. And we need to fulfill the column. Okay, next, after we fulfill the E column with the fee of the ticket, next we need to fulfill the type of payment at the F column by using a drop down list also. As the same way, data validation, and the cell range that we use the drop down list is from F3 to the F22. Select OK, and the criteria is also same, list from a range, and the data that we will put in the column, which is from a main data table. Type of payment, we choose from online banking, which is J3 to a J6 to a debit card. Select OK and save. So the arrow will also be appear, and here we can see that online banking, cash, credit card, debit card also has been listed. So by doing that, we can fill the type of payment of the customer easily. So for example, Hirman, he use online banking, and Abdullah, he also use online banking. Nasuha, online banking, and for Jazli, he use cash, and Harun, credit card, and Natasha, she use a debit card. So by that, we can fulfill the type of payment at the F column very fast, and it will save our time. Okay, after we finish construct our survey table by a date, bus company, fee, and type of payment, we can use a pie chart in our presentation. By using a pie chart in our presentation, we can present our data for another people clearly, and it will make our data look more neat. So before we construct a pie chart, we need to construct a table about the pie chart, which is a bus company and number of people of each bus company. So as you can see that I have construct a table but not complete. So at the bus company, which is Cosmic, Sunny Express, Mutiara Express, Matahari, and Mata Air Travel, and I need to fill the number of people for each bus company. So for Cosmic, As you can see that at a survey table, it is found that it is very hard for us to count the number of people for each bus company, but there are another way to make our work easier to count the number of people by using a Countif function. So let me show you how to use a Countif function. So for Countif function, firstly you need to write a equal and Countif open bracket. So look at the survey table, we choose from D3 cell, D3 colon and to D22, and after that comma. So you can write a double quotation, and as we can see at the M3 cell, we talk about we feel about cosmic, so type a cosmic. Be careful, you need to type the cosmic and perfect, yeah, and double quotation and cross bracket, and press the enter. As you can see that the function, the number of people that use a cosmic is 4. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next, for a Sunny Express, equal Countif open bracket. Also we choose a range from D3 to colon D22 comma and double quotation, which is a Sunny Express. You need to type Sunny Express, double quotation and cross bracket, just enter. So the number of people of Sunny Express is 7. So let's try again for Mutiara Express. Equal Countif and upper bracket D3. The range is D3 colon D3 is you can see we take from a bus company D3, yeah, D3 to colon D22 and comma double quotation. So we type for the Mutiara Express, Mutiara Express, double quotation and close bracket, and we will click enter. So the number of Mutiara Express is 4. So let's check to Matahari. Matahari, as the same way, equal Countif open bracket D3 colon D22 and comma double quotation Matahari. You need to be careful at here, but if you don't be careful and they are mistaken, the function will cannot be used, and close bracket. So there is a 3 number of people for Matahari. And for Mata Air Travel, equal Countif open bracket, the range is D3 colon D22 comma and double quotation, we type a mata air travel, double quotation and close the bracket, and type and enter. So the number of mata air travel is 2. So next, by making the table look more neat, we center the data and we put the border at the table. Okay, after we have finished construct the pie chart table, which is bus company and number of people, after we calculate the number of people by using Countif function, now we can construct a pie chart. How do we want to construct a pie chart? Firstly, you need to go to insert and go to a chart. For a chart type right here at chart editor, you can see. So let's scroll down and you can see this a pie chart. So for a pie chart, you need 2 column to make a pie chart. So at the label, at the data range, you just highlight the whole of the table and OK. So by that, the label of the bus company has been filled automatically, and the value also, which is the number of people in the percentage, as you can see. And let's go to customize the chart. You can choose the chart style. Either you can change the background of the pie chart, so I will change it to the gray, and I want to make my pie chart look smoother, so I turn it to a 3 dimension. And next, I go to a pie chart. At here you can edit if you want to have a hole at the center of a pie chart, but for me it doesn't necessary. So let's go to a chart and axis title. So for a chart title, I want the title of this chart is People's Choice of Bus Company. By using the type of, you can also edit the title font, which is Arial, and title format, I want the title has been bold, and I want to make the title chart at the center. Just go to the center elegant, and next I go to a legend and I want to change it to the white, so it will look more so the data will look more clearly. And the legend format, you can also bold or not. For me, I think it doesn't necessary. So by that, you can edit your pie chart by yourself. Depends on your favorite. Okay, at the end of this video, I want to say thank you for you guys for spending your time to watch my video, and I hope in this video it will give you a lot of information and knowledge about how to use a drop-down list and how to use a Countif function and how to construct a pie chart in a Google Sheet. That's all from me. Thank you.